weren't born at the right time, that you already been through all of this in the past life. Why do I feel so connected to the ancients? Why do I always wanna go back to the essence? I play video games, now I wanna play chess. Trees only grow over time, that is patience. Got my paychecks, but no answers. Now the question is, what's beyond my senses? Yes, I'm lucky, yes, I'm alive, but I'm curious about what's coming after my last breath. Pyramids, temples, statues, and candles. Apparently you cannot always find truth in samples. Atoms, please check up on my genes. My DNA's like a time-traveling machine. Pictures along my sleeves, creatures and disbelievers, creatures along my dreams, features of mine realness. In my business, more than every big mind. The first I even saw the pyramid growing. Whatever the ancients and the wisdom, yes, I am the time transcendent. In my business, more than every big mind. The first I even saw the pyramid growing. Whatever the ancients and the wisdom, yes, I am the time transcendent.
MB14!